Hello lovely creatives. Okay, Vivian here with my second tutorial on designing templates. Okay, so today we're going to look at a client or student onboarding welcome guide, which is useful so that your new clients or customers know what to expect from you. And they give your client a look into what to expect from you and the product or course. Okay, so a welcome page. Here we are. This is one I've designed. It's a US letter size, which is similar to A4, which is what we use in Britain. On this page, all I've done, I've added some flowers, a pink background and some elements. Okay, and what can you do with this page? Well, you can obviously welcome your clients and write the title and a brief introduction. Okay, so let's look at the design of this. First of all, this is in my uploads. If you come over to the left on your Canva site, uploads is where you can upload images. You can even record yourself if you like. Here's the button to upload files, and then you can just scroll down. Here's some that I've uploaded. I'm not sure where the daisies are. Okay, but if you click on one of your images, as you can see, I've changed it here with a watering can. That looks quite cute. If your customers want your garden design skills or something, then that would be useful. Okay, I'm going to backspace on my keyboard and hopefully get rid of that. What's happened there? Okay, Canva's a bit slow today. Perhaps it's because the holidays are coming up. Okay, so I added the image here, and then I added a background here. You can go over to the left to elements and search elements. Let's search for backgrounds. Okay, there you are. If they've got the crown, this crown here, it's a pro element, and to use it you need to take the client back into Canva. Okay, so it's always best to look for free elements if you can. So let's have a look. See all graphics. Okay, there's a nice background. There's no crown there, so if I go onto the three dots, Coral Watercolor Background by Faye, and it says free, and if you look at the eye, licensing made simple. That's not that simple actually, the licensing, at least it isn't for me. You can use this media safely in a Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial uses. Okay, there's a little thing up there. I can get rid of that. Okay, and you can stretch the background. There we are, using the guides. Okay, and fit it on your page. But I'm going to backspace, as I've already done that, as you can see at the top and the bottom. These dots, I went over to elements and I searched for dots, believe it or not. See all, and I think that's the one. It's a free one. Okay, I've just clicked on it, and as you can see, they're black dots. So how do I change the color? I go up here. Here we have the color. And very handily, you've got your photo colors. Okay, so that's taken from the daisies, as you can see. Here's a couple of my brand palettes. Document colors. Okay, and these are all the other different colors that you've got. Okay, so if I want to change the dots to yellow, I just click there and change it to yellow. If I don't like it, you can go back, go to the top here to this arrow pointing to the left, undo. And I'm going to do undo again and get rid of the dots. And you can do the same for all the elements. To add a text, as I've done here, welcome your client, all I did, I went over to the left, you can see text here, text, add a heading, there it is. These down here, with this one you can rotate, and this you can move it around. I'll move it up here while I'm working on it. I'm going to left click, select it, hold down left click, select it, go up to fonts, Alice, here we are, and the font I used was Lemon Tuesday, which I like, so I'll click to Lemon Tuesday. The font is a bit small, so it's still selected, so I'll go up here, font size, click on the center, and you can come down and make it larger. Okay, and another little trick, if I was working on this, or if I were working on this, I could select it again, go up here, can you see up here on the right, transparency 100%, so I could bring it down, and can you see I've made it a little bit lighter. Okay, but we don't need that, so that would be just to add some text. So I'll go up here, undo, and get rid of that. I've got a separate text box here. I'll show you how to do that. You can add a subheading. You can move it up and down wherever you like. Write in what you want. Change the color up here. Change the size here. And change the font here. I've given it a different font style. I believe it was Alice. I'm going to backspace and get rid of that. So this part I did in Alice. It's always a good idea just to have one main font with a secondary font, possibly in the same family of fonts. Canva gives you various things you can select and choose from. If you want to use a fancy font like this one, make sure that you can read it. There's nothing worse than a client receiving something and having problems to read it. Okay, so I suggest just one fancy font and then a clearer font for the other parts of the template. So if I like the style, okay, you can go up to the top here to this plus sign and you can click on that and it will duplicate the page. And then I can get rid of that by backspacing, get rid of that by backspacing, and write whatever I like in. But I'm going to go back. I've got rid of that. Coming down to the next page, with a welcome page, it's always a good idea to have a list of contents. I've written here a few things that you might like to add. Introduction, schedule, bonuses, contacts, and frequently asked questions. Links and resources, workbook downloads, sketches and notes, assignments. Okay, meet our team. Write in your introduction. You can add photos of yourself, your office, your dog, a plant, whatever takes your fancy. And you need to tell your clients what to expect. So about our programs or course or whatever, or the services that you offer. write in the details about your program, services or course with a timeline, and give a brief explanation as to why your client student is here. And also you can add a mission statement if you like, a little bit of what your business is about. Here we are, another page, what to expect, what your client can expect with the proposed outcome or result. That's very important because basically that is why they're working with you. Okay, so you need to tell them exactly what the outcome or result may be. What's included? You can make a list of what you are going to include in your course or with your product, etc., or with your services. Links and resources. Here you can make a list of links. For example, this. I'm going to imagine this is a link. I'm going to left click, hold down left click, and just above you can see a link chain is there. So enter a link or search. What I normally do to be on the safe side is I actually call up the URL of the link I want. I open the page, I copy it from the HTTPS part, and then I right click and paste. Okay, and then let's do it. Let me go on to my blog, vivianartdesign.com. Okay, so I'm going to copy the address, go back here, I'll enter the link, right click, paste, there it is. Okay, enter, and as you can see, the link has, I hope, appeared here. Just a second, it's not working. What's going on? Okay, Canva's playing up a bit. Oh, it's probably my fault. Let me go and have a look. Okay, I'm having problems with Canva, but that is the exact procedure to take. Okay, I'm going to go back and get rid of that. Okay, so to add a link, all you do, I'll do it again. Click on the part you want to add the link to. The link will appear here. You add the link, press enter. Okay, if you want to highlight the link or put it in bold or something like that, let's have a look. So I'm over there. Effects, we can go up to effects. I can change the color here. Effects. Okay, I could put the link in neon, I could outline it so it stands out, etc. Okay, so you may want to include a workbook with your welcome packet, your onboarding client packet. You can write your workbook title here, and you can add your link to the workbook. I've added our packages. Write a list of your other packages here. Price list. I always put the prices. I don't know why. Some people say you shouldn't, but not to worry. Okay, frequently asked questions. For example, how long will I, is the course for lifetime use? How long does the course last? What if I want some extra work done? And you can give them all the answers there. Bonuses, a bonus page, extra tutorial online. You can put the links here. Design resources, PDF of the class. Schedule and goals. If the booklet is for a course, write the schedule here and the goals. Contacts and office hours, very important. Write in your contact details here. Make it very clear. Give them an email that they can write to you on. If you use Voxer, give them the details. And if you're working by phone, obviously you'll put your phone number or address. Notes and sketches, what they can expect. Some ideas here. Ideas. You could also add a mood board, which could be really helpful for your clients to see what type of things they can use. Assignments, if you have assignments for anything. Terms and conditions. Testimonials of past projects you have done. And thank your clients for using your services. You could also add another page with your your privacy policy if you like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and you can use this template which I designed, and I will put the link in under the video so you can go and download it there. You will need to give me your email, but I'm sure you don't mind that, and I often send out some fun emails with some interesting things to print out or to read. Okay, everybody, thank you again. There we are, thank you. Oh, Parmesan cheese, no, although we are in Italy, or rather I am. Okay, everybody, and this is just as I've written here, delete this page after reading. This is just the disclosure. Okay, everybody, thank you for following along. See you soon. Happy holidays. Bye-bye for now.